Hello, welcome, my name's Crow, welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a little sound demo video this morning to accompany one of our Etsy listings, and it's for this beautiful Shamanic drum just here. Now this is a 17 by a 15.5 inch oval Shamanic drum. It's made from buffalo skin and it's on an ashwood frame with a branch handle. Okay, so this has been bound with a little bit of wool, which is rather lovely, and trimmed with leather also. On the inside frame of the frame I've burnt in some info, my maker's mark, Driftwood Hollow Drums, but more importantly the date of birth, which was the 2nd of March 2022 in Knighton Parish, UK. That's all the information that you should need to be able to make a chart, a birth chart. Astrologically, you find out what's happening energetically on the day when this drum was birthed. So I'm going to play with two beaters, a firm beater and a soft beater. Both of these, or either one of them, are available to purchase at the same time if you buy the drum, if you decide this is the one for you. So yeah, I'm going to start with a firmer beater. See what you think. Beautiful. Okay, and the softer beater. So beautiful and gentle. I love the muted, gentle sound of the soft beaters. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helps you to make a more informed decision when coming to choose your shamanic drum. Can't get my words out today. Okay, so with that, I'll say goodbye. Thank you for watching. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Bye for now.